Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making vegetarian stuffed vine leaves. So let's start cooking. These are the ingredients for the vegetarian stuffed vine leaves. You will need 2 small tomatoes diced, 1 bunch of fresh parsley chopped, 1 bunch of spring onions sliced, 1 small eggplant peeled and diced, 156 ml of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of citric acid, half a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 cup of light olive oil, 2 cups of basmati long grain rice that I've soaked in water for half an hour, and some vine leaves. For the sauce, you will need 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of citric acid, 1/4 cup of light olive oil, and 3 to 4 cups of boiling water. For the bottom of the pot, you will need 1 small eggplant sliced. And this is how your vegetarian stuffed vine leaves should look like. It's a great vegetarian dish for summer, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. And don't forget to visit our website on AssyrianDishes.com for more recipes. And if you're interested in any of our Assyrian Dishes kitchen products like our apron, tumbler, chopping board, oven mitts, tea towels, pastry brush and spatula, you can email us on assyriandishes@gmail.com or visit our website. Happy cooking, everyone!